RCB's biggest coach wasn't in their dressing room, it was their trolls. For years, they were cricket's favorite meme. Every collapse, every choke, every heartbreak became internet content. Last year, RCB silenced every critic by finally lifting the trophy. Winning the trophy was hard, defending it was even harder. Even players like Travis Head kept adding to the pain. Every defeat exposed another weakness RCB had to fix. And that's the crazy part, the trolling didn't destroy RCB, it rebuilt them, from meme to champion. Everyone thinks RCB became champion because of star players. Wrong. The real reason is hidden in 4 decisions that almost nobody noticed. And the last one completely changed the DNA of the franchise. For years, RCB followed the same formula. Buy superstars. Hope talent wins trophies. Yet somehow, the trophy cabinet stayed empty. So what changed? Let's start with the most surprising piece. Not Virat Kohli. Not the captain. Not the overseas stars. A middle-order batter named Rajat Patidar. This season, most of IPL middle-order batters struggled, except Rajat Patidar. Most batters react to spinners. Patidar does something dangerous. He forces spinners to react to him. Suddenly, bowlers are changing lengths, changing fields, changing plans. That created a chain reaction. Top-order hitters could attack freely. Finishers got better platforms. The entire batting unit became more stable. But batting wasn't RCB's biggest problem. The real disaster happened every single season. The death overs. Fans know the feeling. RCB dominates 16 overs. Then the final 4 overs arrive. And 40 runs become 70. Games disappear. Seasons disappear. Most franchises solve this problem by buying famous bowlers. RCB did something smarter. They stopped buying names and started buying skills. Josh Hazlewood, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, they both proven game changer for RCB. Instead of asking, who's the biggest star? They asked, who lands Yorkers under pressure? Who executes slower balls? Who survives over 18? It sounds boring, until you realize IPL titles are often decided by 1 over. 1 missed Yorker, 1 extra boundary, 1 15-run swing. But here's where the story gets even crazier. RCB wasn't just changing players. They were changing culture. Think about the Chris Gayle era. The strategy was simple. Give the ball to 1 destroyer. Watch chaos happen. Hope nobody can stop him. And honestly, it worked. Sometimes. But there was a flaw. If 1 superstar failed, the entire system shook. The 2026 version looks completely different. No single dependency. No single savior. No single point of failure. Instead, aggression is everywhere. 1 batter attacks. Another continues. Another finishes. Pressure never leaves the opposition. Patidar became the blueprint. Analytics fixed the bowling. The batting philosophy evolved. Kohli remained the foundation. And that's the secret recipe behind the unbeaten champion version of RCB. Not 1 superstar. Not 1 miracle season. Complete redesign of how the franchise thinks about winning. If this is the future of RCB, the rest of the IPL should be worried.